Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You're watching the 7th match in round 1. Scores are Dinthill Technical and Bishop Gibson neck and neck on 22 points. You'll have noticed Dinthill picked up a point. They actually gave the correct answer of Paris, France to the question, which city is home to the Eiffel Tower? I only heard France, so I did not award it, but it is Paris, France, which was indeed correctly given. Also, just for clarity, Buju Banton's 2020 studio album is entitled Upside Down. With that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast yet clear answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. We have 4 minutes on the clock. With that, I will begin with Bible knowledge. Whose vineyard did King Ahab covet in the Bishop Gibson?
Naboth.
Naboth. That's Naboth's. Biology, how many blood groups are there in humans? Dinthill Technical.
4.
8. English language, give a 9-letter noun starting with D, which means a leader who seeks support by appealing to popular passions. That's a demagogue. International Affairs of Visual 1 teams, look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Bishop Gibson.
Johnny Briseño.
Correct. PM of Belize. Chemistry. What type of bond is found between the carbon atoms of alkynes?
Triple
Bishop
bond.
Gibson.
Triple bond.
Correct. Music and audio teams, listen to the clip I give. Give the title of this song, please. That's Wave de Flag. General knowledge. What is the capital of the British Virgin Islands? Dinthill Technical.
Rotom.
That's right. Spanish. A Spanish student tells his teacher, "Se me han olvidado los deberes." What did he tell her? Bishop Gibson.
I forgot to do my homework.
That is correct. Geography. Which straits join the Tyrrhenian Sea to the Sea of Sardinia in the Western Mediterranean? Strait of Bonifacio. Theatre and cinema of Visual 1. Look at the screen, teams, and identify this person, please. Dinthill Technical.
Sakinadir.
That's right. Information technology. What is the name for the program stored in the ROM, ROM, that executes immediately after power-up and is responsible for loading the operating system kernel into memory? It's the bootloader or bootstrap loader program. History. Veer Bird Sr. became the first Prime Minister, Dinthill Technical.
Antigua Barbuda.
In 1981, correct. Mathematics. What is the gradient of the line that is parallel to the line with equation y minus 6x equals 5? That's 6. Physics. A 900-kilogram car is moving at 5 meters per second. How much kinetic energy does it have? Dinthill Technical.
This is.
And the bell went. 11,250 joules. Sports of Visual 1 teams. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. That's Akani Simbine, South African sprinter. Jamaican heritage in Jamaica. Is couscous a fruit, a dance, or a perfume? Dinthill Technical.
Perfume.
That's right. French. What is the past participle of the verb être? Été. Literature. Which Dominican-born writer published nothing between 1939 and 1966 when she wrote a prequel to Jane Eyre? Jean Rhys. Art. Which artistic method was brought to England by Prince Rupert of the Rhine? Mezzotint. Bible knowledge. Whose wife went into labor and gave birth on hearing the news that the Ark of God was captured and that her father-in-law and husband were dead? Phineas. Biology. What is the name of a structure within or outside a cell consisting of liquid or cytoplasm enclosed by a lipid bilayer? That's a vesicle, and it looks like that's a tie at this moment. So we're going to take a quick break, review the scores, and we'll be back in just a moment to tie this up.